What up, guys? This is your boy, Ken Johns. And I think nagkaroon din ako ng time na para mag-vlog dito tungkol sa topic ng World of Dance Philippines. Na madaming nag-comment, naasar sa paglabas ng World Dance Philippines sa ABS-CBN, at na hindi ako naasar na natutuwa ako sa mga tao na nagpa-participate, mag-comment or mag-support or mag-bash or kung ano man yan sa social media, guys. At ito yung gusto ko lang may share sa inyo, sa mga interesado makarinig sa opinion ko, na yon, hindi ko ini-hate yung mga taong nagbabash, whether I agree with them or not. Marami kasi iba-ibang angulo, guys. So, yon, sa akin, if I may quickly say these things, yeah, man, bottom line, para sa akin, positive siya kasi kahit hindi tama yung mga terms or kung ano yung mga way of judging ng mga judges sa World Dance Philippines, kasi para sa akin, guys, alam nyo naman na music business yun, lalo na for if it airs, dance competition airs on ABS-CBN, guys, maraming kino-consider yung network na yan ay to make sure na mag-rate siya, kasi malaki yung binabayaran nila para mag-air lang yan at mga sponsorship na involved. So they gotta do what they gotta do, guys. Hindi siya katulad ng mga underground competition or mga underground events nyo or natin na sanay tayo. So ako, para sa akin, pasalamat na lang ako na yung masa or yung commercial, the TV ay napupuna or nabibigyan ng chance para mas makilala yung pagsasayaw or yung hip-hop dance dito sa Pilipinas. Nabibigyan ng ibang platform na I'm not saying like bigger or anything, but just I would say mas malaki siguro, mas madaming chance na mas mapanood or matutunan ng mga tao, hindi lang mga Pilipino dito sa Pilipinas, but sa buong mundo, na kung ano yung pagsasayaw at ano yung hip-hop dance or even just dance in general, guys. Pasalamat na ako doon na yun, it's the show is mainly for dancers, man, and they support it. That means na mas lumalaki, mas nakikilala, at opportunity mas makilala pa yung sayaw dito sa Pilipinas. So that's a good thing. And for sure, yeah, man, I agree, hindi siya 100% na tama, perfectly how you guys expect it to be sa mga dancers na nag-hate or nagbabash. I agree, it's not there, but it's a great chance na ito, nag-uusap-usap yung mga tao. And like I said, this vlog is probably a little bit late, but anyways, nandito ko para ibigay itong moment na to para to speak my mind about this topic. So, mas may chance na mag-usap-usap yung mga tao, mas aware sila or mas curious sila kung ano ba talaga yung dapat, ano yung tama, ano yung sablay. So, yun, guys. It's a great thing to have a great start for people to be more aware at magtanong kung ano ba talaga dapat. So, yun, it's a good thing regardless, guys, kung may mga tama o mali. It's a good thing na we've been talking about it. I've been seeing a lot of posts and comments and shares and bashing here and there on social media. Like I said, it's hella entertaining, but for me, I like what's happening, man. It's not perfect, it's not probably so good sa angulo nyo, pero overall, man, it's a great thing that's happening. And I'm sure there's people who are involved, like Vimy Rivera of Legit Status, who are trying to be in there and do as much as they could to protect the culture or the movement, at i-intertwine yan sa commercial lane. I'm sure they're all trying their best. And another thing is like the judges, man, yung mga comment ng mga judges. Guys, ang hirap kaya mag-judge, lalo na pag dyan sa mga ganyang klaseng competition on TV. Man, those judges deserve the spot that they're in. Hindi porke ako ay credible na dance judge or hip-hop dance judge ay ibig sabihin mas credible na akong mag-judge dyan sa kung saan nakaupo yung mga hurado dyan, guys. Kasi iba yan, pinag-isipan nila yung mga sasabihin nila, you know, both na para ma-consider nila yung, I'm sure, yung movement ng mga manayaw dito sa Pilipinas na underground at yung mga producers ng show, guys, you know, for them to be pressured. Kumbaga, magja-judge ka na nga lang, magja-judge ka pa ng mga tao. So, hindi siya ganun kadali. And for me, they are credible. Maybe not sa mundo ng talagang sayawan lang or hip-hop dance. Kaya nga, sa TV yan, sa ABS nagaganap yan. Kumbaga, parang hindi natin na-expect siguro si Billy Crawford or si Kuya Gary V or even Maha to be seated at World Hip Hop, HHI, or World of Dance in LA as judges. Gets nyo? Hindi natin sila in-expect mag-judge doon. At for judges or choreographers like me, so you can't really expect me to be seated in ABS-CBN and say ako yung isa sa mga pinaka-credible na mag-judge dyan. Not really. I wish I could, you know, but their show is not gonna rate if I'm there. Tapos wala si Sir Gary Valenciano. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, I won't be that big of a help. Maybe for the dancers, yeah, right? But, kasi, kakaunti lang tayo kumpara mo sa network na kinakailangan makuha ng ABS-CBN. And, for sure, they're not just there for the dancers. It's a TV show, right? So, they're not trying to please just the dancers, but lahat ng mga tao, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, sa buong mundo, para mag-rate yung show nila or whatever. You know, it's business. It's music business. It's entertainment business. So, hindi lang siya sayaw, hindi lang siya underground dance or hip-hop thing. So, let's just face that. That's just what it is, right? So, yun. Parang, kahit yung isa pa, freestyle ko lang to, guys, kung naalala ko yung mga comments or yung mga issue na yan. Yung sinasabi na hindi dapat world of dance, dapat world of drama. You guys are funny, man. Para sa akin kasi, guys, you know, as an artist, as a dance choreographer, as a person who aspires to be great, lahat ng mga ina-idol ko kasi, guys, hindi ko lang pinapanood yung pagsasaya or pagkakanta nila o pag-perform nila. Mas importante sa akin ay yung marinig ko sila pag na-interviewan sila ng mga host ng kung ano-anong channel or kung ano-anong documentary, guys. Kasi para sa akin, hindi ko lang matututunan yung mga galaw nila, kung ano yung laman ng isip nila. So kapag may mga na-interview sa World of Drama, World of Dance, Philippines, actually hindi lang naman dito sa Pilipinas yan eh. Kahit sa Amerika, sa ibang bansa, guys, kahit mga singing competition, may mga VTR yung mga bago sila mag-perform, ay ini-interview muna nila kung may mga hugot ba sila, guys. Kung bakit sila nagsasayaw o kumakanta or why they do what they do. Kasi para sa akin, yun yung pinaka-importante. Kung bakit malupit yung mga mananayaw na yan, kung bakit magaling yung mga kumakanta na yan. Ayun yung importanteng dapat nating alamin, guys. Kasi without that, yung hugot na yon, yung whys nila, they wouldn't be able to move or sing or perform the way they do. So, importante yan, guys, na nalalaman natin. Hindi siya parang basta-basta porque nakakaiyak, guys. Don't get that shit twisted, man. Yan yung pinaka-importante. Doon mo malaman, ay, shit, kaya pala malupit gumalaw, kaya pala malupit kumanta, kaya pala malupit mag-perform kasi may hugot siyang napakalalim. So, if you ain't got that shit, man, it ain't gonna fly. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's just my word on the world of drama na yan. So, yun, that's how I become the way I am as a performer and as a person is inaalam ko kung ano yung background story ng mga in-idol ko. So, for that, y'all could hate me for that, but for me, that's what it is, man. World of drama, world of dance, Philippines. One up to everybody, this is your boy Ken Johns, and baka hindi ganun kakalaro yung mga sinabi ko, freestyle lang to, pero hopefully mas madami pa akong mga videos na ilalabas na may express ko or may explain ko yung mga gusto kong sabihin. So yun, for now, that's what it is. This is your boy Ken Johns. Keep rocking. One up, man.